Are you ready to turn your dreams into a reality? Today, we're going to show you how to create a vision board, a powerful tool to visualize your goals and manifest your best life. Here's what you'll need: a board. This can be a corkboard, poster board, or even a blank canvas, scissors, glue or pins, magazines, printed images, markers, and any other decorative items that inspire you. Step 1. Gather inspiration. Flip through magazines, print photos, or find quotes that resonate with your goals. Look for images that represent your dreams, whether it's career success, travel, relationships, or personal growth. Step 2. Organize your vision. Sort your images into categories that align with your goals. For example, you might have sections for health, career, relationships, or hobbies. Step 3. Lay it out. Start arranging your images on the board before gluing or pinning them down. Play around with the layout until it feels right. Keep your most important goals front and center. Step 4. Secure your vision. Use glue, tape, or push pins to attach your images to the board. Feel free to add decorative touches, like stickers or washi tape, to make it uniquely yours. Step 5. Personalize it. Add inspiring quotes, affirmations, or even your own drawings. Make it a board that truly reflects you and your dreams. Step 6. Display your board. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day, like your bedroom, office, or even your phone wallpaper if you make a digital version. Regularly look at your board to stay inspired and focused. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to bring your goals to life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration. Happy vision boarding!